Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Means Beautiful. If you are just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. And also if you like my contents, remember to thumbs up and hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be notified. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all, thank you all. And today's video I'm going to be talking about skin tag. Home remedies to remove skin tag. That's what we are going to talk about today. Please guys, remember to subscribe. For those that are just always passing by, seeing my videos and just passing, please remember to subscribe. Okay, skin tags, home remedy to remove skin tag. Skin tag is as a result of accumulation of blood vessels and collagen in thicker parts of the skin. Skin tags are fleshy outgrowths, just some little outgrowth. You might just stay and see one black small growths on your skin. It could appear anywhere on your skin. It could appear on your face. It could appear in your armpit, your groin, your neck, your eyelash, or eyebrow, or eyelash. Yeah, this eyelash. It could appear in any lower part of your body, and it happens to both men and women. It's not a woman thing. It happens in both men and women. There are treatments. There are treatments for skin tags. We have professionals that have some tools they use in removing the skin tags. But for this video we are talking about home remedies that to remove your skin tags. And they are harmless. They are harmless and affordable. Okay, so the first one would be tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can be used to remove skin tag on any part of your body, but not the eye. You can't use tea tree oil near your eye. No, it's not advisable. What you do is you just soak either a cotton ball or cotton bud. But remember, some people are sensitive to or react to might have irritation as a result of using tea tree oil. So what you do is ensure you soak that cotton wool in water. That's kind of diluted before you now add 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil on the cotton wool, and then you rub it over. Let's say you have it here, you just rub it over the skin tag in a circular motion. Remember to be gentle, don't be hard on it, just rub it. And this, you can do this daily for 1 week. Before you know it, your skin tag has fallen off. Yes, it will just go off like that for 1 week. That's for tea tree oil. Then the second one would be onion juice. This one is tested and trusted. Yes. What you do is, there are actually 2 methods. The first one is you cut your onion, put it inside a container that has a cover or a lid. Put salt, keep it overnight. The following morning you squeeze out the juice and apply on where you have the skin tag. Yes, just on where you have the skin tag. Do this for 10 to 12 days and it will remove your skin tag. Then the other method of using onions, as I said, onions is acidic. It's acidic in nature. So what you do is you squeeze out the onion juice, add salt, and use a cotton bud, apply, put it on the spot, or is it on your face, apply, put the onion juice there and leave overnight. Yes, the following morning you rinse it with warm water. That's it. Just keep doing that on a daily basis. Before you know it, either it shrinks the skin tag or it just dries and falls off. That's what happened. Then that's for the onion juice. The third one will be apple cider vinegar. Oh, I forgot to show you the tea tree oil. This is the tea tree oil I have. They have the organic one. You could go to all these organic sellers and you can get the quantity you want, but this is the one I have. Then for the apple cider vinegar, we have different types. Always ensure you buy the ACV with the mother. This is the one I have. This burgers, they have the brags, they have different types, but always ensure you buy apple cider vinegar, the one with the mother. Yes, that's the one I'm talking about. So for the apple cider vinegar, just soak your cotton wool in your ACV. If you have sensitive skin, just dilute it with water and place it over the skin tag. You can use a gauze to wrap it. Repeat this for 1 to 2 weeks. Yes, and you see your skin tag going off. Okay, then the first one will be banana peel. Banana peel. And this banana peel is not the unripe one, it's the ripe one. Just cut out a little piece of banana peel. Let's say you have the skin tag, you put it over the skin tag, the inner side, put it over the skin tag. If you have a gauze, just leave it off like that overnight every day. Before you know it, I think before you know it, it goes. Yes, that's why I say repeat it. When you start something, repeat it, continue. Don't just do it 2 days, you stop, there's no result. No, do it for 1 week. That's why you see some of these remedies, I say 10 to 12 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. That's when you get to see results. There's nothing like, unless you go to the professionals, they have their tools, they just use and get it off. Okay, but for the home remedies, it has time limit. You understand? You have to allow these products to work on the skin tag, penetrate it, and then do its work. So that's for the banana peel. That one is not irritating in any form. Yeah. So then the final one will be the duct tape. Yeah, the duct tape. All these home remedies are safe. They are not going to give you any issues if you do it the way I've said. Okay, the duct tape is just for you to cut a duct tape piece of it, put it on over the skin tag, and leave it. You do it daily. Every morning you remove this, gently remove the tape, the duct tape. Do this for 10 to 12 days. You will see your skin tag will remove automatically, because that duct tape, as you place it over, you're automatically cutting off the blood circulation to that place. It's blood that makes that thing to keep growing. Since somebody that kept growing, but now that duct tape will cut off the supply. And then all these home remedies, from the tea tree oil, the apple cider, the onion juice, they're acidic. Yeah, you understand? And so it starts to dry it up, dry it off. So before you know it, it has killed it. Yes. So that's that for this home remedies. Try any of them, and don't do tea tree oil, run to apple cider. If you want to start with tea tree oil, just ensure you are using tea tree oil to remove your skin tag. Focus on one remedy. Don't keep jumping from that's how you see results. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, something you didn't understand, just drop it in the comment section below, and I will reply you. Guys, please, for those that are just seeing me, please remember to subscribe. Those that have not subscribed to my channel, also thumbs up. It helps a lot. Yes, it helps a lot. And then that bell icon, that's for the notification, so that anytime I've uploaded video, you don't need to go start looking for me, you just be notified. Yes guys, see you on another video. Bye.